Let's make giant gooey potato chip dark chocolate cheesecake cookies for my cookbook, Indulgent Eats at Home. That name is a mouthful, but it was important that you know exactly what is in these cookies because they are so full of good shit. They're the ultimate salty sweet combination, inspired by potato chips dipped in dark chocolate. If you've never had it, try it. They are so good. And so I wanted to make a cookie inspired by Levain Bakery, which is a super famous bakery in New York City that is famous for these giant, super gooey on the inside cookies. They're almost a bit underdone, but they're just cooked enough to give you that super gooey texture in the middle. And when you add that cheesecake filling, oh my gosh, it is so good. You've got the crunch of the potato chip as well, so let's take a bite. Break it. Oh, look at how gooey. I mean, I'm biased. I literally made this recipe based on all the things I love. So if you love all these things, then you will also love this cookie. It's just so good. There's so much melty chocolate, both from the chopped up dark chocolate bar, as well as I used a combination of milk and dark chocolate chips. You could use semi-sweet, you could add in white chocolate chips. You could also make the dough like a regular dough by omitting the cocoa powder. All of these steps are in the recipe in the cookbook. In terms of the potato chips, I highly recommend using Ruffles. I tested out other brands of potato chips, and you just mainly want to make sure that they have ridges. The texture of the chips just stays more intact in the cookie. It also just looks cooler on top of the cookie when it has those ridges. I like using the air fryer to make them because it gets the potato chips on the exterior of the cookies extra golden brown. But you can also make this in the oven. For all the measurements, ingredients, and timings, make sure you get a copy of my cookbook, Indulgent Eats at Home. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more recipes. See ya!